Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture, and I've just planted all of my annuals in my front bed. But the last thing that I do before I consider my beds finished is I edge them beautifully and then apply a layer of mulch to give my beds a really finished look. So I'm going to show you the basics about how to edge a bed, and it always starts with a very sharp spade. This all steel spade I've had for 12 years now. It's sharp, it's reliable, I can't break it, and this is my tried and true edging spade. So let me just show you a little bit about the edging process and how I do it. It's in how I basically lay the lines, make the cuts, and then finish it off. So I'm going to do a close-up here. As I make cuts, I go along the bed line. I make sure they're sharp and they cut. They're sharp, they're even. They follow the bed line in a really nice line. And I'm going to follow the curve along my bed perfectly. Then after I make the cuts, I remove any weeds and that edge of soil, which I take off all of the weeds, and then I put that soil back into the garden. But I leave a nice divot along the edge, so it's clean, it looks beautiful. Get any grasses away. This also makes it easier to mow along the edge of your bed, and then I'll fill this in with mulch as I go. Let's watch the whole process. So once I get to the stage where I'm all finished, I make sure everything is smoothed out and looks great. I should mention that what I used as a mulch is leaf compost, a little bark mulch, and also a little added Black Gold Garden Compost blend, and it makes this rich, dark cover that really gives my garden edge a great, sharp look. So that's how you edge. Happy gardening.